Yes, good morning, good afternoon. So today in my tutorial I'm going to show you how to get free Microsoft Office for free, okay? And it's legal, the both way, okay? So follow me, okay? All right. Okay, good. So follow me. So the first one, you go to your Microsoft Store. So you have it here, and you type on Easy Office Suite. So see, I have it here. I already downloaded. So I'm gonna open for you, and it's free. See? So I open it for you guys. Easy Office. So you have it here. You have a window writer, calculator, draw. It's completely free. See, you have like your usual office that you have. You have also Excel, everything. Good. And the next one, you go to Microsoft.com and you just register your name. So I have here my name. So you just register your name, and you're gonna have all your stuff. So you just register. And it's completely free. Good. It's in French, but you just have to register. And if you want to continue, you can buy the premium, the family, but you just take the basic, the free trial. So, you know, it's already in. So you just take the free stuff. All right, that's about it. So two way to get the free Office, free Microsoft Office, you know, with everything surrounding the Microsoft Office. Good. So that's about it. So you have the regular, you know, Excel, Outlook, what else? PowerPoint. So you all have the fun stuff, you know, Word, Teams, PowerPoint, Excel. So, and it's free. All right. Thank you for tuning in. And by the way, yes, by the way, my name is Sotam Siri. Siri stands for Sotam the Cool Technician. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day, great evening, and see you around. I'm signing out. Ciao.